Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own crochet headband wig from scratch. So keep watching. The first item you're going to need is a crochet wig cap with combs, and I got this cap on Amazon. I'll leave the link to this cap in the description box below. The next thing you're going to need is a headband of your choice, your crochet needle, a pair of scissors, and some needle and thread. The hair I'll be using to create this style is the Heysis Havanna Zanaa Bounce Braid hair. And I got it in 1 pack of color number 4 and 2 packs of TTPU, which is this really pretty purple color. The first thing you want to do is place your cap onto your mannequin head. Then you want to take your headband and apply it to the mannequin head as well, but line it up to the edges of your cap. Then you want to also make sure that you're flipping your headband inside out so that when you're ready to flip the headband up in the end, the seams on the inside isn't facing towards the outside. Now I'm just using my T-pins to just tack the headband down and just keep it in place so that when I'm sewing the headband onto the cap, it doesn't move. Now you're just going to begin sewing the headband onto the elastic band area of the wig cap. I like to sew one side at a time just so I can make sure that the headband is sewn evenly on each side. Now I'm going to cut this thread and I'm going to proceed to sew the other side from front to back as well. I do want to mention that you do not want to sew this too close together. You don't want to make your stitches too close together because you still want your elastic band to have stretch. And by sewing your stitches too close together, it does allow your cap to not have enough stretch, and then you won't be able to fit it correctly onto your head. So you don't want your stitches to be close together. Now this is what your headband should look like once you've attached it to your crochet wig cap. So now the first thing that I do is I separate one strand into 4 pieces. So I separate it into 2. Then I separate that piece into 2 again. So in turn you'll end up with 4 pieces from one strand. Now I'm going to stick my crochet needle through the cap, loop the hair on, and pull the hair through, and I tie the hair around twice. I'll show you now. You put the hair in once, twist, and you put it in again. And that's what I'm going to do throughout this entire wig cap. And I'm going to mainly focus the number 4 towards the back, and then I'm going to put the purple color in the front. Now, when you're doing this process, you want to make sure that you're not putting each one too close to each other. You want to make sure that you're spacing them out a little bit from each other, just to make sure that you have enough hair to complete the entire look. So you guys will see me spacing them a little bit from each other, and then once I feel like I've placed them where I wanted them and I still have enough hair left over in the end, I will go ahead and fill in the rest of the hair just to make it look fuller in the back. So I'm just going to keep showing you guys how I attach the hair to the cap and how I loop it, just so that you guys can see exactly how this process is done. The reason why I chose this hair is because it kind of gave me a natural texture type of vibe. When you get closer, you can see the texture. It kind of looks like permed hair, natural hair permed and then curled with a curling wand. That's what it's giving me. So that's why I chose this hair. Now at this point, I'm not going to bring this brown color any further up because I only want it to be focused towards the back. So now I'm going to be working on the sides and bringing it up to that line that I created in the middle. And I'm still continuing to space them further apart from each other, just so I can make sure that I have enough hair to, and then if I do have enough, I will use my extra hair and I'll fill it in at the end. Now I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. This is what it's looking like once I've placed all of the hair where they needed to be. Now since I still have a little bit more of that number 4 left over, I'm going to go back in and fill out this whole bottom section, and if I still have more hair after that, I will also go back in and fill in between where I placed some of these other strands at. So just continue to watch. Now this is what it's looking like once I've completely finished filling in the bottom. And this is what it's looking like once I went back in and filled in more hair in between. I love my hair when my hair looks this full. This is my favorite way to wear my hair. I love my hair really, really big, and that's just me. Now we're going to begin adding in this purple shade. I do the same thing I did before. I divide it into 4, and then I place each purple piece a little far apart from each other, just so I can make sure that I did have enough hair to complete this look. Now this purple color right here is very vibrant. I love this purple color, and I've gotten so many compliments on this purple color already since I've been wearing this wig. Now I'm just going to speed through this until I get to the top section of my hair. This is what the wig is looking like once I filled in the side portions of my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the top portion off camera, and then I'll be right back. This is what the wig is looking like once I've completed using all 3 packs of this hair. Yes, I said it. I used all 3 packs, and this hair is big, it's huge, it's voluminous, and it's everything that I love in my hair. Right here, I'm just showing you guys what this headband wig will look like once you flip that headband piece up. Now you just want to fluff your hair however you want it and style it in whatever way that you wish to style it in. Now I'm just going to show you guys what this hair looks like when it's all up into a ponytail, so that you guys can see the effect of the headband in the back and all the way around the sides. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it was the struggle trying to get all this hair up into this small little scrunchy thing that I had. And you guys will see in the next clip that I did end up changing the scrunchie and getting a bigger one so that I can wrap the scrunchie around twice to get that ponytail to sit up really nicely. Now this is what the headband is looking like once the headband wig is completed. As you guys can see, I was able to sit this ponytail a little higher than I did before, and I feel like I did a really great job. Let me know in the comment section down below. Now you guys can style this wig however you want. I just chose to style this up into a ponytail because I like to keep my hair up and out of my face. Now if you guys do want to see a video on me styling this wig or any other headband wig in different styles, just leave a comment down below and I'll create that for you. Today I was able to show you guys how to create your own headband wig from scratch. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!